Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Cassie and I have a lot of wonderful creations. Today I'm going to do a demonstration. Um, have you ever read a recipe and in the recipe you questioned a lot of the things? Like we measure everything in cups and then the recipe has it in grams and ounces. Yeah. Right? You ever read a recipe and it said top it off? Okay. So the first thing we're going to talk about is topping off. So what you do is you scoop up your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, um, bread flours, all-purpose flour, self-rising flour, your granulated sugar, brown sugar, even like some of the like sour cream. You want to top it off. So what you do is you pull out your measuring cup and you scoop it up. Then you take something that has a flat end, like a butter knife, a spatula, the wooden handle on a spatula, anything that has a straight edge or that's smooth. And once you measure it in the measuring cup, you just take it and you simply rake it across the top of the measuring cup because you're going to top it off. You want it to be level with the measuring cup. So this would be exactly 1 cup. When you have it where you just scoop it up and you never level it off, it could be a cup, a little over a cup, more than likely. But you top it off so that it's exact, okay? So any recipe that you're preparing and you want to be exact on any of your measurements, you just simply top it off in the measuring cup, transfer it to your mixing bowl, and continue your bake, right? That's our kitchen baking technique for today. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you on the next bake.